Udon Thani is a small city in the northeast part of Thailand. It's part of the province called Isan, and it has 150,000 people. Now it's March, start of the March, and it's really hot. So the lowest temperature gets around 24 and the highest around 38 during the day. I came here from Khon Kaen, that is 100 kilometers away. I booked the most expensive guest house here, actually dormitory, that is 320 baht, that's around $10, but it's really worth because it's really clean and spacious, and you get a free bicycle and a lot of common area to hang out and meet other people. And clean beds. In each bed it has its own. Looks really nice. Clean and really modern. So with the bicycle I went to the nearby lake. I got this bicycle in my guest house for free. But free usually has its own price, and so was in this case. The bicycle is super small, not in good condition, half flat tires, and the brakes are not working. Only one is working half, but it's free. Where I run around for exercising a little bit. I'm running in Udon Thani, in the lake. I made 2 rounds, so I made around 4 kilometers, and then I went to the Chinese museum. Where I found that there are a lot of Chinese people actually here. They came here because of the business for the sugar cane plantage, and 1946 they created first sugar cane plantage here, and from sugar cane they produce molasses, which is quite popular sugar substance. And then also in the old days they were very popular the hemp bags made out of the compressed hemp, and Chinese were also the leaders in this field. So the most of this hemp was produced here in Udon Thani, led by the Chinese people. So also around the lake there are a lot of Chinese temples. And then later in the night I went to some bars and had some beer. And then even later I went to the very famous club called Yellowbird, which has a live music and was full of people. Some Spanish people there, and I had a good time. And then 2 a.m. in the morning it all closed because I think Thailand is still under the army law, and I think that's one of the reasons. I'm not sure, because the club was still full. So 2 a.m. I called it a night, and that was it. That was my day in Udon Thani. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Ciao.